Welcome to another episode of Trash Talk. I'm here today with Prabjot Usmani from the Department of Public Works. Hi, Prabjot. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Katie. Did you happen to make any resolutions for 2025?
I did. So this year, I want to try to live a little bit better, living sustainably. Um, so besides just recycling, the plastic and glass and the paper that I do at home, do you have other recommendations that I could give a try?
Yeah, there's actually a lot of different actions that we can all take every day. And from my point of view, a lot of these small actions add up to making a really big difference.
Okay, and what are some of these small actions?
As you know, the world is drowning in the use of single-use plastic. People just get single-use plastic all the time, whether it's water bottles, utensils, plates, and all of these other things. And one of the things that you can easily start doing is starting to refuse single-use plastic.
Okay, can you give me an example of how I can refuse a single use of plastic?
Yeah, so the next time you go out to a restaurant, you can let the server know to not bring you a straw for your drink. What you can do is instead of just doing that is if you do find that you need a straw, you can always have a reusable straw with you, like I have here up. Or you could just not use the straw in the first place, the single-use one.
Okay, that sounds easy enough. What else?
If you have leftovers, like I know most of us do when we go out to eat, you
Hmm.
can start bringing your own containers like Tupperware, and you can keep a few of those in your car. That way you don't forget. I know most of the time when you get those to-go containers anyways from restaurants, they end up going in another reusable container when you get home, so you can save yourself the step and just bring those containers with you.
Wow, that's something that I hadn't thought of before. Thanks. Any other suggestions?
What you can do the next time you also go to the restaurant, whether you're getting food there or maybe you're getting Uber Eats or getting something delivered, you can just let them know to not provide any plastic utensils for you. Unfortunately, servers and restaurants, they have a habit of just providing those single-use plastic utensils for you. So you just have to take that extra step to be proactive by just saying, hey, I don't need any of those utensils. And what you can also do if you're maybe at lunch and you're out and you're getting food is that you can just keep a little small bag or pouch of reusable utensils with you. I keep usually in my lunch pail or somewhere in my car, just like a fork and a spoon that I brought from home that maybe don't look so nice at home, but nothing will happen if I take them out with me.
Got it. Okay, so this is another great recommendation. So if I want to learn more information, where could I go to find out?
So if you ever want to learn something, if something is reusable or if it's recyclable or where it goes at the curbside, is you can always go to your web browser and just type in County of Fairfax Waste Wizard, and you'll be shown a little database where you can just enter in a word. So whether it's like plastic straw or anything else, and then it'll give you some information on where that item goes or tips on what you can do instead. So if you put in single-use plastic straw, it'll remind you where that goes and then provide you an alternative, which is like using your own straw instead. You can also go to cleanfairfax.org, which is a local organization in the county that does a lot of great work at reducing plastic pollution that will provide way more tips than I've provided today on how to reduce plastic pollution.
Awesome. Thank you for all your great tips today. I look forward to practicing them. Well, it was really fun talking trash with you today. I hope to see you next month.
Yeah, take care.
Okay, you too. Bye bye.
Bye.